Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people right here in Australia start their own business selling things on Amazon right around the world. We've got over 2,000 members with sales of over $50 million. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. You know things are going really well when lots and lots of money starts piling into a niche. Well, right now here in Australia, there's a ton of cash piling into this niche. All right, this is just a quick one, just a very quick one. Just as a kind of holy shit moment, I guess. The amount of money pouring into private equity, which is, if you don't know what private equity is, it's where a private equity firm, so a group of people, will form a partnership, and then through that partnership they will find businesses to invest in with the hope of making a return on that investment. So they'll raise capital, money to do that, okay? And that's private equity. And the amount of money being poured into private equity to finance Amazon business purchases is astounding. Absolutely astounding. There is a shitload of money going into private equity at the minute for Amazon businesses. I actually got approached on Friday or Saturday, I can't remember which day it was, by some dude in Australia who's just raised $50 million to go and buy Amazon businesses in Australia through a private equity company, and he wanted me to promote his services, and he told me he'd give me a lot of money if I did that, and I politely declined that for lots of different reasons. However, it just goes to show in Australia that's taking on too. So why the hell am I telling you this? Well, now is the time to be building your business in such a way that you can sell your business. And that really comes down to all of the basic things we teach you in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, things like getting your ducks in a row, for instance. Very difficult to sell your business if you don't have your ducks in a row, and that foundational principles, that's the difference between a very easy sale where you'll get maximum asking price for your business and a very complicated sale where people just think it's too hard, all things being equal. There's a lot of money coming into Amazon. There's a lot of companies and private equity companies being set up to scoop up and what's called consolidate Amazon businesses. There is a lot of money going into that. Happens every single time with all these things. Money pours in, consolidation happens, the next phase of growth begins. Now is the time to get that organized. Now is the time to get that organized. Anyway, I just kind of want to talk a little bit about that. That was a video taken from my live weekly Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. If you'd like to find out more about joining the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. It helps heaps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.